Already in my previous lecture, I have told you the what is slenderness ratio. Slenderness ratio equal to the effective length by the least radius of gyration. I mean L by K. Okay. Here I have just shown you for short column. For short column, that is okay. For the short column, actually the slenderness ratio value is just it is come from 0 to 32. Okay. And for medium column, that slenderness value is 32 to 80. And for long column, it is come 80 to 120. Okay. Now we will discuss the limitations of Euler's equation. Okay. Actually, when Euler's derive the Euler's equation, PCR equal to pi square EI by L square, then actually Euler's শুধুমাত্র তার লং কলাম নিয়ে কথা বলেছেন। তিনি অন্য কোনো মিডিয়াম কলাম বা শর্ট কলাম নিয়ে কখনোই কোনো কিছু ডিসকাস করেননি। সেকেন্ড অফ অল আরেকটা বিশেষ জায়গা আমরা দেখতে পাই, সেটা হচ্ছে কি উনি যখন কলামটাকে লং কলামকে নিয়ে উনি ডিসকাস করছিলেন, তখন উনি শুধুমাত্র বাকলিং লোড বা ক্রিপলিং লোডের এফেক্টটাকে কনসিডার করেছিলেন। বাট the combination of buckling load and bending stress not considered in his assumptions or in his theory. Okay. Now Euler's equation limitations, how we can prove. Okay. Just come on the point, limitations of Euler's equation. Okay. I would like to tell you that the crippling stress is less than equal to the crushing stress. Okay. Actually, for the unit area, A equal to 1 for both cases. Just I have shown here already. I have proved PCR equal to pi square EI by L square. Where I equal to moment of inertia, that is I equal to A K square. Where K equal to the least radius of gyration. Just put the value of I A K square, that is here. Okay, here. Okay, then PCR equal to pi square EI by L by K, the whole square. Now we will consider the crushing stress. I mean crushing sigma E, that is denoted by crushing stress. Crushing stress, that is equal to PCR. That is equal to PCR by A. Okay, so as that sigma E is converted. Sigma E is equal to pi square E by L by K, the whole square. Where L by K is equal to the slenderness ratio. Okay, just considering one engineering material that is very important for us, that is mild steel. Okay, for mild steel we have just using crushing stress equal to 330 kg per centimeter square. Okay, and the modulus of plasticity দেখতে পাচ্ছ, modulus of plasticity equal to 2.1 into 10 to the power 6 kg per centimeter square. Okay, just put the value of sigma E, that is 3300. Okay, greater than equal to pi square E. E equal to 2.1 10 to the power 6. Just put the value of E here, 2.1 10 to the power 6, and by L by K the whole square. Now L by K greater than equal to root over of pi square into 2.1 into 10 to the power 6 by 3300. Okay. Now after calculating that, finding out L by K greater than equal to 79.25, that is equivalent to 80. Okay. That is proof that slenderness ratio equal to 80 or greater than 80. Okay. That is actually already I have told you. Slenderness ratio is valid 80 to 120, that is for long column. Okay, Euler's just showing that limitations, it is for long column. Okay, now we will consider the Rankine formula. Okay, in Rankine formula we can use that medium column, short column, also long column. Okay, now combination of Euler's equation, that Rankine formula has come. Okay, just come on that point. 1 by P equal to 1 by PE plus 1 by PC, where P equal to the crippling load by Rankine formula. Okay, and P equal to crippling load by Euler's formula. Okay, and then PC equal to crushing load of the column material. Okay, so as that already it is known to us that P equal to pi square EI by L square, where a equal to a k square. Okay, I equal to moment of inertia already আমি তোমাদের বলেছি। আরেকটা জিনিস দেখো, a equal to the area. Okay, area means cross sectional area, and k equal to least radius of gyration. Already in my previous lecture I have told you. Just come here. That is FC. FC, what is FC? FC is the ultimate crushing stress. From the Hooke's law, it is known to us that stress by strain equal to E. Okay, but here I will show you that stress, any stress equal to force by unit area. But for this crushing stress, I mean the ultimate crushing stress, FC equal to PC by A. So as that PC equal to FCA. Now, come on the point. 1 by P equal to P plus PC by P into PC. Okay. From here it has just normalization, it has come. Okay. Now from that it is just giving that results P equal to PC by 1 plus PC by P. Just I have done, it is normalized this equation. Okay. Then just put the value of PC. PC equal to FCA. Okay. And another thing, put the value of I. Okay. I equal to a k square here. Okay. Then put the value of P, and put the value of FC. So I mean PC. Okay. So it has come already. P equal to FCA by 1 plus alpha into L by K the whole square. Here already I have shown alpha equal to Rankine constant. Rankine constant equal to FC by pi square E. Okay. Now from that here just putting the alpha. Okay, if alpha is given for a particular material, that is good. Otherwise, we can find out from here Rankine's constant. Okay. Finally, Rankine formula has come. That is P equal to PC by 1 plus alpha into L by K the whole square. Where L by K equal to the slenderness ratio. Slenderness ratio. Okay, and alpha equal to FC by pi square E. Alpha equal to the Rankine constant. Okay. It is very important for exam. Dear viewers, just I would like to tell you, if any questions has come to in your mind when you just observe my video lecture, then you can just put your questions in my YouTube channel, and obviously follow my next class again and again. Observe all that my lecture. Because of that, it will be very important for your examinations, mainly MACOT examinations, for your GATE examinations, also for your higher study. I mean for also your competitive examination. So dear student, আমি আশা করব এই ভিডিওটা তোমাদের খুব ভালো লাগবে এবং আমার প্রত্যেকটা ভিডিও তোমরা দেখবে আশা করি। এবং তোমাদের যদি কোনো ইনকোয়ারি বা কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকে, যাদের কাছে আমার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বার আছে তারা অবভিয়াসলি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করবে, আর যাদের কাছে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বার নেই তারা অবভিয়াসলি আমাকে মেল করবে bijon.ju@gmail.com. Bijon, BIJAN, bijon.ju@gmail.com. So as that, follow my next class and obviously stay safe and healthy. Thank you.